I never believed that this single act could hurt and affect my channel this bad. Guys, I have been uploading every single day on my channel ever since I got monetized, and it backfired in a way that I didn't even expect it. So if you're out there and you're constantly uploading every single day, or you have believed this narrative that posting every single day on YouTube is going to somehow or somewhere help you grow your channel, please, you have to pay attention to what I'm about to share with us right now. Because in today's video, I'm going to be telling us what this single act has caused on my channel and what I am going to be doing henceforth to rectify this error. So I wouldn't want any of us out there to make this mistake, because at the end of the day, you wouldn't want to build a platform here and one single attitude would just destroy every single thing you have built. So if this video is a video that you love to watch, please do well to stick around, okay? So at first, initially, I thought that being consistent simply means that you really need to upload every single day, which I believe that this is the narrative that most of us out there actually have. Now, do not get me wrong, because I am going to be balancing this whole equation. This particular single strategy can work for some channels and it cannot work for some channel. That is why you just have to try your best to make sure you pay attention, okay? Now, I am going to be very, very honest with us. So one of the main reason why I decided to upload every single day ever since I got monetized is, number one, was the money aspect. You know, the minute you get monetized, every single video you drop on your channel in returns makes you money, right? So that was one of the narrative I had, and I believe that if we're going to be honest with each and every one of us, this is also some of the mentality most of us that upload every single day actually have. Yeah. Then the second mentality I had is that for the fact that I'll be posting every day, I am going to be relevant and the YouTube algorithm is going to be constantly pushing out my video. This was the mentality I had, okay? So these two mentality actually made me to try my best to post every day. Yes, I know that there are some days that I might as well skip, but believe me when I say those days that I skip to upload, I just feel that maybe my channel is going to die or something bad is going to happen to my channel. That is why I try my best to always upload every day. I was doing all this without even noticing the danger that it is causing for my channel. So after going through my YouTube studio whole analysis, what I discovered was very, very heartbreaking. I discovered that in the past 90 days, my audience retention dropped drastically. My average view duration dropped. Like my channel was just going up and down, up and down. And another thing is, my best performing videos are videos that I uploaded way back December. So as I took my time, I started making a lot of research to the point that I even had to reach out to my YouTube coach. Why? Because I was trying to balance this whole thing. Because I compared my channel with that of my lifestyle channel. Like they are no way to be compared because that channel is doing way much better. So I was just comparing the analytics. Then I discovered that, oh, princess, you have been doing this whole thing all wrong. Posting every single day is not really going to make the algorithm, or it does not really determine that the algorithm is going to notice your channel and be pushing it out. Now, this is one bad thing that posting every single day could cost your channel. You know, there is what we call audience fatigue. This my niche, we have a lot of people doing it. So for the fact that I am consistently every single day dishing out this particular kind of videos to my audience, some of my audience might see it, and for the fact that they also saw a particular video from me yesterday, they might not really want to see that urgency or need to click on it immediately. Or maybe imagine I drop a particular video yesterday in the morning and the following day I am also dropping another video. Maybe a particular viewer has not been able to watch like two of my three videos straight, because one thing is your audience might not always be available on YouTube, and most of our audience cannot actually be coming on YouTube every single day. So for the fact that some of my audience are skipping some part of my video, that single act has actually sent a message to YouTube algorithm that this my video is maybe not watching enough. I don't know if you get where I'm trying to go. Now, it's not really about uploading every single day. It's about checking out how your videos are performing with your audience. And the good part of this whole thing was that I saw all this from my YouTube studio. See, as a YouTuber, if you're able to understand and if you're able to interpret your YouTube studio analytics very well, you will definitely discover what you are doing wrong and what you are doing right and how to fix it ASAP. So, comparing this my channel to that of my lifestyle channel, I think I only have about just 3,000 subscribers, but each single video I drop on that channel, within 28 to 48 hours, it crosses over 2,000 views. And mind you, that channel, I really don't, most of the times in a week I post just 2 times, sometimes once in a week. And each video I drop there, I give it enough time, that is for the video to be able to sit, gather its momentum, gather its views, and also to be able to reach out to my audience. But for this my main channel, I wasn't just giving my content enough room to breathe. I was just uploading because I had to upload. And it doesn't work like that on YouTube. There are some channels that can do this and it will work out for them so well. Now, for example, channels like VDIQ have over 2 million subscribers, and most of the time he uploads daily on his channel. This particular channel have large audience, so there is no how if he drops video, 50% of his audience are likely to click on that particular video. They're likely to either be active on YouTube at that minute or maybe later on. And another thing is, this is how this whole YouTube stuff work. The minute you upload video and people are not clicking on it, the YouTube algorithm automatically sees that video as maybe not worth watching, or maybe people are not engaging with it, so therefore they will not push it. You have to understand that YouTube algorithm is not human being. It's just like your ChatGPT. It's AI, and they work with audience retention. They work with your video viewership. That is how people are engaging with your content. So most of the time when we are having low views on our channel, what we just need to do is to sit back, think, and start to ask ourselves, what am I actually doing wrong? Okay, I was having views before, what suddenly went wrong? So if you're able to analyze and digest all these things, then you can be able to come up with a solution. So another niche idea is, you see all these channels that post mainly about entertainment or news. You know, this kind of channels on daily basis, people will be going back and front to those channels to like maybe check out for a particular update, and people subscribe to that channel definitely knows that there is no how they're going to be repeating a particular video that they just watched. Either they're going to be bringing up a fresh update or maybe another thing entirely. So people subscribe to those kind of channel, always await for one particular update or the other. So if your niche is maybe that kind of niche that you feel you need to upload every day to be keeping people updated on different news and the other, then posting every day on your channel is valid. In fact, even posting sometimes twice daily on your channel is valid. But there are some niche that you don't need to do this kind of thing. Okay, had it been my channel is maybe a channel with over 2 million to like 4 million subscribers, I can decide to be posting every day. One, because I already have that large audience, so each time I drop a video, my audience will pick it and watch, and as they're watching it, YouTube is pushing it out to other people out there. But for the fact that my audience is still very little, and me constantly pushing out videos to them is sometimes very very tiring, because I'm going to be honest with myself, there are some channels that I am subscribed to. Maybe there's this particular Korean channel. I subscribe to channel because of I love one particular movie, but from time to time I discovered that this channel kept on dropping video every day, and the video YouTube kept on recommending it to me. At some extent I got tired and I even unsubscribed to that channel. Now this is an example. Imagine another subscriber in my niche doing the same thing. So uploading every single day can harm your channel. So I had to sit down and analyze this whole thing. Started making a lot of research. I even reached out to some YouTube coach out there. Then I discovered this particular thing, which is YouTube does not care about how often you post if nobody is watching it. That is why you realize that there are some small channels with like 100 subscribers, with like 1000 subscribers. They post every single day back to back, and for the fact that they're having like one view, two view, there is no how YouTube will push your video. There is a way that you can be consistent on YouTube, and if your video is gathering that small momentum, it sends signal to the YouTube algorithm and they still try their best to push it out. But you uploading every single day and those videos are not getting views, it's just like you pouring water into a basket. So the only thing YouTube is after is, once a person click on your video, do they click and stay? If they click on your video and immediately they are clicking off, it will also reflect on your video analytics. So after being able to analyze and study this whole thing about my channel, I decided to come up with a solution to all this. Just like as I used to say before now, posting consistently does not really mean you should post every day. You can be posting twice every week and you are consistent with it, which is the same strategy I apply on my lifestyle channel. And my lifestyle channel is doing so well. Each video I drop there gather the views, gather the momentum. Why? Is because I allow the videos to sit and get the right momentum it deserve. Posting video and not giving it enough room to breathe, then you drop another video, it actually slows the engagement of that particular video. And this is one of the things that has been hurting this my channel so bad. So I have been able to come up with a particular schedule which I believe should work better for me, which is try my best to at least upload videos either 3 to 4 times, maximum of 3 times in a week. So you starting out there, maybe your own might be posting 4 times, your own might be posting 5 times, your own might be posting 2 times. One thing about this YouTube is try to understand what is working out for you and stick to it. You might say, okay, Princess is going to be posting 3 times now, and I'm going to be following her to be posting 3 times in a week. Meanwhile, it might actually be uploading twice daily. Sorry, uploading twice in a week that might actually work out for you. Go to your YouTube studio, study the analytics, and maybe if you're just coming up, you can just try this 3 times posting every week and see how your audience are reacting to it and see how it is on your channel first before you can say, okay, let me increase it a little bit. So unlike before, I'm going to be now paying attention and focusing to at least 3 videos in a week, taking out my time to plan, arrange my content, and be able to upload it even a day before the video will finally sit on my channel. Because if you all don't know, this posting every single day, there are some times that I shoot in a day, edit in a day, post it that same day, and this particular thing is somehow affecting my video views. So these things might actually be what is affecting you on your channel, but you might not know. That is why I say we have to try our best to always study our video analytics and check out how our content is going, because there is nobody that will explain your video analytics to you more than you yourself. That is why there are some things that some YouTube gurus and coach will come up here and teach. The minute you go ahead to turn the setting off, your channel will just become stagnant. It has happened to me before a lot of times. So if you are a small YouTuber out there, I think this video should be able to direct you on how to actually see this whole YouTube thing. So if you ever think that posting every single day is going to make you visible to the YouTube algorithm, oh no, 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 no. I also believe that sometimes ago, but this narrative actually changed long ago. I just wanted the money to be coming to my account every single day. That was why I decided to keep posting, but without realizing that I was doing the wrong thing. Because now, imagine being able to come up with 3 good videos every week that gathers you enough view. There was one particular video on my channel that currently has 5,000 views. The videos that I posted before that video, close to 4 different videos that had 2,000 views, 1k views, 1.2k views. That single video with 5,000 view earned me money more than those 4 videos. I don't know if you're getting what I'm trying to say. So it's not always about posting every single day. So it's not always about daily uploads. It's about being able to sit down, plan and arrange your content well. So guys, my lightning actually went off. I don't really know what went wrong with it, but I'll be checking it out after this video. So I just had to quickly end this video. In conclusion to the whole thing that I've been saying, you just have to understand that posting every single day is not really going to give you that growth you think you're going to be getting on your channel. What you just need to do is to try your best to reflect on your YouTube studio, follow your video analytics from time to time, and you'll be able to understand what is working out. Okay. And secondly, there is a particular tool that is going to actually help you as a YouTuber. YouTube actually released this update 2 to 3 months ago, and most of us are not even aware. So in this particular video here, I shared about that update. You can go ahead and watch it and apply it ASAP on your channel. Okay, so do well to like this video if you've not done so. Drop me your comment, and lastly, do not forget to share this video so that it can get to a lot other creators out there. And as always, I'll see you all in my next video. Bye.